Got a feeling I'm feeling just fine. From beginning to ending of time, I am just fucking around with these rhymes. They've been looking for someone that got it. I get to the station, I'm feeling a rocket. And every word will just land in the pocket. A crowd of these kids and they rocking out topic. I'm stupid, ironic, addicted to comics and trying to love, but I really been honest. I step to the mic and they looking astonished. I'm blazing the line like a primo or chronic. I'm feeling the shit in my soul. I'm trying to stay on my phone. Time ticking away and I know I only got one life to go. Sigh, living it up, you can find me get home on a Saturday night. It's not giving a fuck, I'm not filling my cup of promethazine. That is a 7 up mix of some rebel and grenadine. Y'all don't be getting me right, I get fucked up with shit and they give me the wonders academy. But it's alright, I've been feeling just fine when it's staying 100 feet from me like centipedes. We surfing Netflix, yo, I can never find a show. With my girl, we probably be fucking before we find one. Oh, that's alright, cause I would take some head over this club all day. And when the doorbell rings, it's the Domino's guy with pizza, ayy. Maybe I'm living the dream. Maybe I've been plugged in the matrix to sleep. These people always come in negativity and trying to rent some space up in my head. This ain't Airbnb. Either way, homie, I'm feeling blessed. So call me Elon Musk, I've needed space from every ex. You want my heart, but that shit will just stay inside my chest. I know that I was built from vibranium like Wakanda, bitch. Never been faking, I've really been taking the music. It's really a part of me, but I know getting a level to get what you shouldn't put up is like winning the lottery. What an economy, go between loving the thought of the money to dropping the quality just to make something the radio plays and we'll put in the face of the listener constantly. Whew, trying to keep me hidden, but they just afraid. They're locking me up in the box, but I'm Harry Houdini, ayy. You see, I've got it, but they pushed me out. I don't complain and treating us like Pennywise and keep us in these sewer drains. I'm pulling Georgie down, your homies pouring 40s out. The scene is filled with people getting fucked, it's more like orgies now. And I don't wanna be part of this mess, it's not what I'm about. So swoop me up and take me to a different place like Dorothy's house. See, if I only had a brain and a heart, well actually the opposite will have you music on these charts. So fuck the wizard and the road, I'm leaving Oz. And maybe this is new religious rap cause I'm a motherfucking god. I'm jumping from nothing to something I'm thinking they really don't know, ayy. But it's getting the top of the month and I'm bringing the heaviest flow, ayy. See, they just don't get it, I'm bringing the party like I was a kid. I confetti and rocking the tools and I'm battling fools like I just threw up on mom's spaghetti. Yeah, too much sauce, too many bars, too many songs, too much love, too many stars, too many people feeling like there's nothing they relate to. Open my Spotify and play it, man, this is the breakthrough. Yeah, they said that white boy is wild dope, is spitting venom like Eddie's alien symbiote. These other rappers talking Xannies, guns and fucking hoes. I'm trying to hit the park and skate a bit before I'm headed home. Yeah, maybe that's it. They all been asking how to get these people listening. See, they don't understand how music can be simple shit, just mixing in a little pop culture. I'm fucking Pickle Rick.
Turn myself into a pickle, Morty. Boom! Big reveal. I'm a pickle. I'm Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick.
Wow, dude, I honestly, I don't even know what we're doing at this point. This is too much.